DIY. Do it yourself. So I came with this with the top of my head. So my braids has been smelling like the end of them, and I didn't like it. So I was like, I should just cut my hair out. So I was in here curling my hair. Y'all can see I was curling. One side has curling lines on it still, and the other side already curled. The curls are beautiful. They're giving what they should be giving. But I said, how can I make my hair smell, good? So this is my hot boiling water I use to dip my curling rods in. But I also have my favorite scent. This is my toy back. But I also have my favorite scent of body wash. Right? So I take some of that, I squeeze it in here, right? And I mix it. My sister keep calling me, sis, I'm gonna call you back. And I mix it around with my comb. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And I dip my curling rods in here. First of all, let's get a top and we burn ourselves. That's what we're not gonna do. So take my curling rods and I dip it in here. This is to give it that good smell in here, but also I'm gonna dip my curling rods. So it's a 2-in-1 for me. But my hair, to me, it don't have a smell, but I don't like the smell of curling. I don't like this. Call me when you wake up, Maria. Girl, I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. That's my sister just texted me. So I dip it in here, and I put it in for like a couple minutes. Not too much, not too long. Now, normally I would keep my rods in so you guys can, so it can curl like really, really curl. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm doing this D.I.Y video. So I'm just gonna put my thing. Look, pull them out, wrap them up, pat them dry. This is braiding hair, y'all. I'm not gonna use this hair again. It's not gonna hurt my braids. It's not gonna hurt the product in my braids or anything like that. We're gonna give it. It might have a nice smell. Smell like strawberries. But I'm gonna show y'all one of my curling rods. Ooh, yes, it's old school rods. The Jerry curl rods. I told you, it didn't affect my curls. Look. So that's how that one look, y'all. But that's a quick DIY to get your hair and your braids smelling good. I was the first one to show you that. Don't forget. Bye. Thanks for watching.